Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable NFC on your VIVO IQOO 05 Pro. So in order to do this, we can do it a few ways, and the first one is to scroll down our notification or toolbar, however you call it, and from here click on this pen. If you didn't add NFC already right here, you should find it around this icon. So now we added NFC. To enable it, simply click on it, and as you can see it's just enabled, and to disable it click again and it grays out like this. The next option is to move to the settings. From here we'll need to search for a setting. We can enter NFC. Here it is, and enable or disable it like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.